Welcome to Tiskitari Kasinzo. Nchela, I'll update you in terms of Kaizer Chiefs. Also, Ulokuzana, the new coach Fernando da Cruz has requested for an leading African midfielder. I will be informing you all about that. It's been a while. Kaizer Chiefs have been admiring this player, and he's also posted himself wearing a Kaizer Chiefs jersey. Which is sparking those transfer rumors linking him to Kaizer Chiefs. But Da Cruz uyamfuna umcelile, he is on Da Cruz's transfer wish list. So I'll be informing you about that. But congratulations to France. They beat Morocco 2-0. Kylian Mbappe and Dembele scoring those goals. France, Buffet today, I scam. I think it's a scam in terms of the players that are playing for France. Only one player is of French origin. Most of those players are of African origin. Let us have a look at this video.
Sifted out for Diaz. Reclaimed by Rabiot, played in by Digne. Steered away by Mazraoui. Doué. Mbappe!
Hasn't had too much to do. This is really just a half chance from there. How many times have we seen him do it though? Round the side of Issa Diop. Keeper probably can't see it until it comes round the defender. By then it's too late. Such accuracy. I said this match needed something special. We've just seen it from the man most likely to produce it.
He meets Messi again at the top of the scoring charts.
Essa é a verdadeira nacionalidade dos jogadores franceses? Como assim? Não tem nenhum francês no caso? Só um? Só um jogador é francês? Tchouaméni não é francês? Ué, e como é que ele joga na França se nenhum é francês? O Mbappé? Não, o Mbappé não.
Okay, Bafetu, that was France. I'm highlights goal Mbappe. Dembele scoring the other goal, finishing in Morocco. Morocco being the last African team. That was in the World Cup, but in Morocco, we saw them also in the last World Cup. They did well. They're also showing that they are on the same level as the rest of the great nations in the world. So I think after this World Cup, they will come up as the best ranked African team. So I think they were the best African teams in Morocco, in my honest opinion. But I'm not a Morocco fan. If you watch the show, you know that I am not a fan of Morocco. Right, guys? In the fake news regarding Kaizer Chiefs. Oh, before I get into Kaizer Chiefs, rumors nama transfer news regarding Kaizer Chiefs. In terms of World Cup, we saw. I just want to say that I think it's between France and Spain and Argentina. But for me, France, they look like man for man, player for player. They are looking like the strongest team. But Spain, they have not conceded in this World Cup. And if you want to win games, you don't concede. And I think it's between France and Spain. I think Argentina, I would like to see Messi win his second World Cup, but I doubt Argentina will win this World Cup this time, guys. But I hope I'm wrong. Right, guys, fake news doing the rounds is that Chiefs, Zach Chislett, the brother of Kaizer Chiefs player, Ethan Chislett, they say he's a right back. He's being linked with Kaizer Chiefs. Those are the fake news. I saw that on social media, and that is not true. And Nkota has not traveled with Al Attifaq. He's not in their preseason squad. And the rumors are that he is being linked. He's going to return to Orlando Pirates on loan. Sibonile Mfukeng ohambile ngathi kuzobuya uNkotha on loan. Is that true? Let us wait for our official confirmations. But my Bucks Yeah, that is the latest regarding the club of Orlando Pirates. And also Umailula, it's all over social media that he is returning to Mamelodi Sundowns. Is that a fact? I do not know. Mailula, to return to Mamelodi Sundowns, we don't know if that is true. But yeah, I see it's all over social media. I thought that he was set to train with Kaizer Chiefs, but Kaizer Chiefs are going on that tour. In terms of Lama player, Hambanga ni Kaizer Chiefs, guys, I did inform you that Umayo was not spotted at OR Tambo. Sirino was not there. Ulilepo Nocele. Lilepo and Tele, it's two players that are said to be unhappy and are looking for a move. Tele being linked with a move to Portugal, and Lilepo linked with a move to France. And Sirino, we all know that he is leaving. But yeah, Kaizer Chiefs are pondering the Sirino situation. And yeah, it looks like the new coach, Fernando da Cruz, wants to sign a new number 10. So that is bad news for Sirino, who has come to the end of his contract. Chiefs are set to play Kruger United in their first game. I think Kaizer Chiefs have a very tough fixture list. Bazodlala Kruger, and then they play Isikhukhune. They're set to reunite, or I think there's a nice rivalry ezoqala between Cedric Gaze and the Kaizer Chiefs since he is taking over Lapayana. We saw him signing a few players for Sekhukhune United as well. I think it is already made 3 signings for Sekhukhune. So Cedric Gaze is preparing already for that clash with his former team, Kaizer Chiefs. Thulani Mabaso is rumored to be going to Amazulu on loans. Bonile Amazulu already same signing Umtaka. Atazwane reuniting with his abafana bakhe balapha with Kaizer Chiefs development. Umabasa, he wants Mabasa on loan. So I think that would be a good move for young man Thulani Mabasa. Right, and then also Utekofatso Mabasa, as I've already indicated, the rumors are that he is close to finalizing a deal with Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs, that is the department that they need to strengthen, the striking department. Kaizer Chiefs were not a free scoring team last season, and they definitely ngiyabona banikeza uMayo a new contract, but is Mayo the goal scoring solution to Kaizer Chiefs' goal scoring problems? I doubt that, judging from his performances last season. He made his debut on debut. He came on like a house on started like a house on fire, but yeah, wapancha as the season went on. And also Ighodaro, it's questionable. Ighodaro is forever injured. Is he a goal scoring solution to Kaizer Chiefs? From his time at Mamelodi Sundowns, he was not their goal scoring solution, and I doubt Uguti he can solve the goal scoring problem here Kaizer Chiefs. So Kaizer Chiefs definitely need to sign a striker, and there's a Brazilian striker that is linked with Kaizer Chiefs. We will see when the team returns from preseason in Spain who they will sign. However, Fernando da Cruz, you know this player, guys. He was also on Nasruddin Nabi's wanted list. I'm talking about Ulokuzano Faisal, Toto Salum. Yeah, uyamfuna laphayana. Fernando da Cruz has asked for the team to sign him. So yeah, Kaizer Chiefs reigniting their interest in Fernando da Cruz. Will they in Faisal Salum? Will they be able to get him? I don't know. They were not able to get him last time, but I think he has a year left on his contract. In January, he can make a move. That is Faisal Salum. Right, guys, Nofiakre Ntwari naye, he was not seen traveling with the team, and now Ufuna is looking for a move on loan. So also Nofiakre Ntwari, the future is not looking bright for Ntwari, since in Bonili team isane Reinaldo Lina, which probably means the end for Ntwari's Kaizer Chiefs sitting with 5 goalkeepers. Nobontle Molife being given a 2-year contract. So Ntwari Bafethu, it looks like they are looking to take him to TS Galaxy, a team that is former team interested in him. Right, guys, that is all I have for today. Remember to give the video a like. Remember to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers. Bye-bye.